up? I'm going to do a slime video, and this slime is dedicated to JSH Dye. She gave me the slime recipe, and I'm going to try it out. So first, we're going to need some shampoo and some body wash. So you're gonna get this, and you're gonna put it in here. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, then I'm gonna get my shampoo. This is gonna be a long video, so just waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in. You need a spoon, of course. Mix it up. Looks pretty good. Once I let me watch some more of the video, okay?
Then you need to add a little bit of water. I'm pretty sure it's 1.
I'm gonna need some water. Oh, and this. Okay, yeah, my bad. Sorry. Okay, a little bit of water, like barely any. Okay.
Cup shampoo to 1/8 cup of water.
1/8 cup
then
of water.
Put your gel body wash in the refrigerator for an hour. Take it out and then mix it. Once you start mixing it, you should see air bubbles, but it should definitely, I guess, have a thicker texture because it is gel.
You don't mix it up. It won't be as good as first.
Once you have mixed it really, really well, you want to add in a little bit of iodine or table salt, and then
Okay.
it's
a little bit of like good slime. So I'm gonna have to wait about an hour in the refrigerator. For about an hour if you put it in the freezer. I think it might might not work. So I'll post it on my hour, okay?